Hello everyone to a new Blender tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a star in Blender. I'm going to show you two ways, I believe. So probably there are more ways. That's just what I learn. Throughout the time I use Blender, I learned a couple of two ways to I can make some stars. So now without further ado, don't want to make the introduction too long, the intro too long, so let's jump right into this video. So the first way, I can press on the keyboard Shift plus A, and here we have a circle. I can only need a couple of vertices, and here what can I do now? And now guys, press A, go to select here and click on checker deselect. Now with with S, with ES, just do this. Just zoom in or drag in. Now you have a star. And now you can select everything. Select, press A, and then extrude, and then on Z. Then you can press F, and then here Alt, and select just one vertex, and then press F, a new field. Excuse me. And now you can grab this Z, and like this, but obviously don't select this one. I'm sorry, my bad. Can also go like this, and maybe you can try like this. That's not bad. Hold Shift, and now like this. Now this is too big. It's like not. That's just a very simple way. Now another way, you can also add a circle again and go to edit mode. I mean, we're already in edit mode, but anyways, now just delete these vertices and just leave one. Grab this, and now you can go with 7 on your numpad, and you can just extrude like this. It's a different way to create a star. Now you can select both of these vertices and press F to fill, select and grab. Like this. Now can also move it here. And now you can just select everything and press on A to extrude on the Z axis. Press F, then just press Alt and F here. When you press Alt, it will just select the entire thing that you want. Now we have a star. So yeah, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.